Everyone, welcome back. In the previous videos, we have seen different concepts of Python programming. From this video, I am going to help you out to write your first Python program. Okay, in this video, we will see how to write Python program. So, let's see. First of all, click on Start, then go to Python, then expand this. Here you will see Python IDLE. Okay, so you need to click on this. Once you will click on Python IDLE, Python shell will open. Okay, so here also we can write the Python program. Okay, so first of all we will write our first Python program in Python shell, then we will write the same program in different file and then we will run that file. Okay, so as already I have discussed with you in the theory concept, there is a built-in function that is print, which helps us to print the information in the console. Okay, so in order to print the hello world, you need not to write too much code as we used to write in other programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. But the single line of a code in Python will print the hello world. But if you will print the hello world in other programming languages, as I mentioned, it will be required of writing at least 5 to 6 lines. But we can print the hello world with a single line using inbuilt function of Python. Okay, that is print, and we need to give just simple hello world. Okay, and close the braces. So what this will do, this print is inbuilt function, okay, of Python, that will print whatever the value which we will provide within this double quotes, that will be printed as it is. Okay, so here we have mentioned hello world. So once we will hit the enter key, it will give output as hello world. Okay, so let's see. It has given the output hello world. Similarly, whatever, if you want to print anything, any other text, it will be helping you to print out. So here I am printing my name, okay, within double quotes, and I have closed the braces. And again, if I will hit the enter key, you can see the value which I have provided within this double quote is getting printed on the console. So basically, with the help of this print function, we can print the value into the console. Okay, so this is the interactive way. Now we will write the same print code in file. Okay, and we will run. So already, what is the difference in writing these two methods of code, we have already covered in the theory of that video. Okay, so in order to open file, you need to click on file, then click on new file. So this file will open. Okay, so here you need to write the code. Okay, so already we had seen in the previous video, there are different sections. Here we can also provide the comment line. Okay, provide the comments for this program. So here we can mention, suppose this program prints hello world in the console. Okay, so this is basically a single line comment. Why? Because this is starting with this # symbol. Okay, so this is a single line comment and this will be ignored by the interpreter while executing. So again we will write print, and what we want to print, we want to print hello world in our console. Okay, so this is the simple code that we need to write. Once you finish the writing of the code in the file system, you will have to save this file. So go to file, click on save. Once you will click on save, it will ask for the file name. Okay, so wherever you want to store your program, you can store. So you can traverse to some different folder also. Suppose I want to save this program in my program folder. Okay, so suppose I want to give the name as p1.py. so whatever the file name according to the program you can give, but your extension should be .py, and then you need to click on save. Once you will click on save, your program will save in the file. So now what you need to do, just click on run and then click on run module. Okay, so you can see here the output is we got is hello world. Okay, so in this way we can print the values through the Python program. Okay, so I hope you might have got the basic idea of first program of Python, that is printing the value. In the next video we will see some other program. If you have any doubt, any sort of question, feel free to comment the question in comment box. I will definitely help you out. So this is all about this video. Thank you.